concentration, all that kind of stuff. So now let's bring in the guitar pick. Now, from a chord standpoint of practice, the guitar pick is great because we can make sure all the notes are actually working. Are we getting the sounds that we want? Right, D, bottom 4 strings. You know, again, once we get to strumming, we'll talk a little bit about that. Because nothing is absolutely perfect. Yes, the D wants 4 strings, but when we actually start strumming, sometimes we hit 5, sometimes we hit 3. Welcome to the real world of being a human being. That's what happens, okay? So, that's what I need to do is work on, are the notes working?
Oh, that's beautiful.
You know, am I getting a bunch of this, and do I need to work on that some? Yeah, that D is kind of struggling. I'm having a problem with that string. Okay, well, that's fine. Keep working on it. You got the rest of your life to learn how to do this, you know. Keep trying to develop it.
Oh,
but in the meantime,